Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you the two fuses. Okay, you have two fuses for the central locking system on Ford Fiesta MK7. We have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, so if you have a Fiesta between 2008 and 2017, please subscribe, let us know if you need anything, we'll try to make a video. Also other vehicles and makes as well, like we have Mercedes, BMWs, we make videos all the time. So we have two fuses for the central locking system, and one is in very unusual place, so stay with us to see how to find them, how to replace them. So what we'll need to do, guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it of course, and the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So you need to squish on both sides towards each other, okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers, okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So on the inside of the cover, you'll be able to see the number of the fuses. It's a little bit hard to show with the camera, but number 6 here is responsible for that. And number 6 is this one right here. Okay, 30 fuse. So with a small screwdriver you can pry it, but careful not to damage anything. Don't put too much pressure, just a little bit on each side. Okay, and this is the fuse. Usually you can see if they're burned even without removing them on top. You can check them like that. And if this one is not burnt, okay, we have one more that is located behind the glove box. So stay with us to see how to get to this one. So the second fuse box, okay, is located behind the glove box. And the easiest way to do that is to remove the glove box. So let us show you how to do that now. You're going to grab on each side and pull towards each other. Okay, until you remove that stop out of the way. You can see this is what prevents the glove box from opening. When you squish it in on this side and the other side, you can pull it out. After that, you grab the whole box and pull it straight out. Okay, just like that. You can see it has two hinges there. Okay, and that's where the second fuse box is located. As you remove the glove box, okay, number 26 is the one for the central locking system. It's 7.5 amps. Okay, it's the second fuse on the left side from top to bottom. So I'll just you can get a fuse puller, or I'll get the thin pliers, okay, and pull it out. And you can check this one out on the inside. Okay, this one is good. If that doesn't fix the problem, okay, we have other videos that diagnose the central locking system, but this is where you find the two fuses for the central locking system, guys. Many more videos to come on the car, so if you need anything, definitely. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.